I don't know if I'm still recording. Probably started over, but I'm cleaning my daggone refrigerator. My sister called me. Messed up my whole video. Anyway, back to that. We got some chili peppers from Mexico. My husband's neighbor went to Mexico for Christmas. He just got back Monday. And he brought us some chili peppers, some cheese. If I can get them into the same bag. Teresa, it's not rocket science. Stay hot too. Come on. Jesus. Jesus. Anyway. They smell hot. Anyway, we got those. And these right here. There's some hot daggone chilies. Alright. Now I got my door clean. If you can see. I need to put this back down here. And put my salad dressing. What's that? It won't sit there. And my mayonnaise. Okay. Got some grape jelly. That can go right there. I ain't even got nothing in there. My heavy whipping cream will go right there. This one is out of date. This sour cream. I'm gonna put it up here because I might not use it. Got some ricotta cheese. Ain't even been opened yet. Need to use that. Okay. Syrup. This is out of date. Got some candy I got on sale for 90 cents. With the raisins. I got some wine back there. Coffee creamer. Some milk. Some of this clamato stuff. This is my tortilla mix, which I got to make some tonight. Half sodas that I never finished drinking. We have a farm, so I keep this on hand for my babies. If the mother dies or, you know, doesn't want the little boogers. Whew, I don't know how long these have been here. My husband didn't like them. So, throw them away. Oh, I could, well, I don't want that. There's a few one left in here, so I'll keep that one. Got some cream cheese. Let's go over here to the door. Woo, the sour cream. Let's see. Yeah. Throw that away. Have my little trusty stuff. Now let me tell you, I have an old soul because I do love to use this butter dish. I just finished my butter this morning, but I love that. That's my favorite thing. I know y'all probably can't see inside, but the light is like blinding. Anyway, so we'll probably finish that off tonight. That. My salsa that I made. I got some dessert in here. My 2 little tomatoes. Down here in this drawer. Got some Cool Whip. Goes with my dessert. My little onion. Put that in the door. Got some butter. Let's see what's in here. Oh, we have 1 tamale left. Feed that to the animals. See, I got some bottled water. We'll stick this up there. Might better lay them down. Oh. Right when you're trying to do stuff fast. Put my garlic over here in the door. Always when you're trying to get something done fast, it doesn't let you. Oh. Alright. I got some soup down there in that big pot. These little oranges, I'm going to give to the animals because they are about not ripe. My husband's Fanta. Yeah. Whew. Well, that did not take long as I thought it would. I'm gonna turn around, wipe this. There's enough orange. We'll probably have this soup tonight. Are y'all seeing my butt? Oh my God. Whoa, sorry. I dropped you. But anyway. There. I still need to get in here and get this off, but it's going to take some hot water and soap. Anyway. Thanks for coming with me. Clean my refrigerator. As always, thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting my channel. And I hope everyone has a great day. I'm going to get back to cleaning the rest of my house. Thanks.